Good morning, Kevin.
Hey, Earl. Great to see you as always.
Absolutely, my friend. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. And I'm excited to talk about our topic today. It's a darn good thing. It means people have lots of money ready to go.
And that big thing is home affordability and how the equity the homeowners currently have in their home can kind of offset, moving into their new home.
Yeah, I've been talking about this for the last couple years, talking about just, wow, people have so much equity. So many homes are owned free and clear, and people just don't realize how staggering these figures are.
Yeah, it's tremendous. Average in the United States, the home equity is about $290,000 on average for the country, which is
That's
nuts.
amazing.
Yes. 68% of people have paid their home off completely, and at least 50% or the rest have at least 50% equity in their home value already, just sitting, collecting money, not collecting dust.
Yeah. So 38.7 own it free and clear, 68.7 have it either paid off or 50% equity.
Yes.
50% or more in equity. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's a lot of money. If you sell that house, that's a lot of money you can put into the new purchase, and that offsets a lot of affordability challenges.
It does. It really does. Because it's kind of like moving your money from one account, from your savings account to your investment account. It's all working for you, in the right angle.
Yeah. So if you have $290,000 in equity, you buy a $500,000 house, you can easily put $250 down and still have some money left over for moving expenses, etc. So that $500,000 house is only a $250,000 mortgage. So if you are at a 7% interest rate, say, it's not as big of an impact versus if you were financing, the whole $500,000 at 7%. It has a huge impact on the affordability because you're borrowing a lot less.
Absolutely. And a lot of people want to know too how the equities grew so fast. But the reason that it grew so fast was because the increase in prices that helped things almost compound in a way, as far as a person's home equity in the home that they own currently.
Absolutely. And there's even solutions. Let's say you want to purchase without selling first. The easiest thing to do, list your home, sell it, then go buy your next one. You've got that cash in your bank account that you can use towards the down payment and such. But if not, you can get a mortgage on the new home. And with that, after you sell the other house, you can make a significant pay down of your balance on the new mortgage and have your payment adjusted down. It's called a recast. So it's available primarily on a conventional mortgage. But let's say you have a $400,000 mortgage. You want to put $100,000 down from the sale of your prior home. So you have a new $300,000 mortgage. After that lump sum payment, you can call and say, hey, I want to recast. So they will redo your mortgage payment down to that $300,000 balance to pay it off in the same term. So say you're a year into it and it'll set up your new payment to pay it off in the same remaining amount of time. So 29 years left.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's not a whole refinance, so you don't have to go through closing costs and approval process and all that.
Oh man, yeah, that's awesome. That is super awesome. Like I said, that having an opportunity, like that, and being that this time of year is less competitive, in the market as far as many, people out and about, multiple offers, that type of situation. And this is another point, with October 1st through the 7th being the best time of the year for buyers to capitalize, hey, you guys should take this information and run with it. Whether you're a brand new buyer or you're a seller looking to upgrade or downgrade for our empty nesters.
Yeah. I just talked to a gentleman earlier today. He is looking to downsize. So he's in a big house. It's just him, and he wants something smaller with less to take care of. He's an older gentleman, so he's looking to downsize to a condominium. So yeah, we're doing a mortgage for him on his condominium purchase, and then he will sell his other house, but he wants to do the condominium first and just kind of take his time moving from the old house, listing, selling, etc.
Yeah, and that makes plenty of sense. That way he's not in a rush to have to, be in the new place so fast. And that's the benefit of having that equity in his current home. He can take his time, and get there when he gets there.
Absolutely. Yes, there's lots of opportunities out there for folks. Don't be scared about the current interest rates. And you know what? Most of us who are my age and more, this is normal interest rates. This is what we are used to. So don't be afraid of it, and your affordability will be there, especially those who have a house to sell with the tremendous amounts of equity.
Absolutely. Kevin, thank you so very much, my friend. Hope you have a great rest of your week.
Always a pleasure, Earl. Till next week.
Have a good one.